Welcome into the world of exceptional hardwood flooring services offered by Ken Caryl Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We take great pride in delivering top-notch craftsmanship and expertise to transform your space into something just extraordinary. If you're looking for traditional or exotic hardwood flooring, our team of highly trained professionals are here to meet all your needs. We are experts on the repair, installation, and refinishing of classic or exotic hardwood floors. We restore their original beauty and making sure they will stand the test time. Then there's more than flooring. We also offer superior services on hardwood stair installation, repair, and refinishing, making a seamless flow throughout the entire house. However, what makes us different is our unique method of dustless sanding. There's no mess or fuss and amazing results. We recognize that certain areas may require a little more special attention. This is why we provide premium laminate flooring as well as luxury vinyl plank flooring that meets the needs of high moisture and traffic areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Be assured that even in the busiest areas, our flooring choices will exceed your expectations. We believe in delivering individualized solutions to all of our customers. Our team of experts will help you navigate each step to ensure your dream becomes an actual reality. Here at Ken Caryl Colorado Hardwood Flooring, our goal is to create a space that is exquisite for you. You can trust us to be your one-stop shop for all your flooring needs. Select Ken Caryl Colorado Hardwood Flooring for premium hardwood flooring solutions. Contact us via the link below and let us help bring your ideas to life.